three. So guys, alright, so today's gonna be a little bit different. I got a GoPro mount, so we're gonna go ahead and do some POVs. But first, let me go ahead and get in a quick cold start for y'all. Alright, y'all, let me go ahead and get this quick cold start in. Alright, so round two. The first time I messed up and I didn't get any clips at all. So we're gonna go ahead and try this again. So we're pretty much testing right now. I'm gonna do some pulls and stuff, but pretty much it's just hearing the blow-off valve spacer, so I can hear what it sounds like. But also I'm gonna do some pulls. So this is what the blow-off valve sounds like. I hope y'all can hear that and the audio isn't getting messed up, but we'll see what we can do here. Hold on. I'm not gonna do wide open throttles here. I'll do them over there. But there's a lady crossing and she looks like a Karen, so I'm not trying to do that right there. But this is what this kind of sounds like. This is my first time using the GoPro, so like I'm still getting used to it and how to learn it, how to use it, but hopefully I get better at it. Let me see if we can try to do like a quick pull here. Alright, so we're going 30. 1, 2, 3. And that's what the blow-off valve sounds like. So let me do this quick pull here. So we're gonna go 30 rule. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's what that sounds like. It's a 2.0 T, so it's not the fastest, but as y'all saw, it wasn't that slow. So, alright y'all, pretty much that's what the blow-off valve sounds like, and some pulls in the car, honestly. So, yeah. But yeah guys, this is the piece that does all that noise, the swoosh sounds, the flutter, the turbo flutter, spoolies and all that. This is it. This is a blow-off valve spacer for the Audi A5 or A4, or pretty much the 2.0 T engines, FSI or TFSI or whatever you have. This pretty much goes in between the stock diverter valve. It's a spacer, so it fits right in there. But this is pretty much the bolt that would replace the OEM one that's in there, because it's a lot smaller because it's stock. So this is a longer one that fits the spacer, and we'll go ahead and go into your engine. So it comes with the bolts as well, so you don't have to worry about buying those or anything like that. So that comes with it already. It has 3 of them and all the gaskets in there, so everything will be just fine. Since I've had this, I've never had any problem on my car, never thrown a code for it or anything like that. So pretty much it's a piece that doesn't affect your engine at all. Pretty much it adds pretty much happiness to it, because honestly it sounds really nice as from what you heard. So I do have quite a bit in stock. If y'all want to go ahead and get one, hit me up on my car page. It comes with all the bolts, the gaskets as well, and it's a lot cheaper than some I've seen online, because I did buy them in like bulk. So I've seen some that run for like 90 bucks, 80 bucks, 100 bucks. So just hit me up. I'll go ahead and get them to you for way cheaper, shipping included. I will pretty much put the link from my car page on Instagram and my other page below as well, where you can pretty much hit me up and I'll pretty much get them out to you within less than a week. Honestly, is what I've seen the turnaround time. So just hit me up for that. All right, I hope you guys enjoy these next clips. Also, thanks guys for subscribing. The channel grew. We're at 1,000 now, which is crazy. I hope y'all like the content. I will be putting out more stuff, but like, subscribe the video, or like the video, subscribe, and thanks y'all. Peace.